Today's kitchen gadget is the air fryer. We're going to use it to crisp up some vegetables with a minimum amount of oil. Today's vegetable, French fries. Here are the ingredients. 1 1/4 pound of frozen French fries. 1 Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. To do our French fries, we're going to start the air fryer. You need to warm it up. So French fries are going to be hot, so we're going to hit on the preheat button. 400 degrees is good. And we go ahead and hit the play button. And it's going to warm up for 5 minutes. Now the 1 minute is up. You can take the basket out. It's going to look like it turned itself off. That's quite all right. Now the basket's really hot at this point. I'm just going to dump in the fries. This is about 1 pound of frozen fries. You want to leave them frozen. If you're using the frozen variety, no need to add oil, because they come pre-oiled, believe it or not. There's a little bit of oil in them already. So we're just going to fry them up, put it right back in, turn it on again. We're going to set it to French fries, which on this one looks like a McDonald's cup of fries. And I'm going to set it to go. Now after about halfway through, it's going to beep at you to shake it. You do want to shake it. Press the play button. And that's going to help all of them get crisp up and not just the ones on the top. Okay, the beeper just went off. You can see a little flashing shake going on. That means you're going to take it out. It's going to turn off automatically. Take the French fries you have inside. We're going to shake them up. Redistribute them. Okay, when you put it back in, it remembers what it was doing. Let's put it back in. So all you have to do is put it back in and it starts right back up. Another 13 minutes. When it's done, salt them, pepper them if you like, paprika if you like, whatever spice you like on your fries, and serve them. Nice, hot, crispy French fries right out of the freezer. Okay, the fries are done. Let's take a look at them. Nice and golden brown. Looks very good. Now you can add as much as little salt as you want to them. What's so funny?
You're filming it like scrolling up.
Okay, so we're going to dump them out into the bowl before doing the salt. That'll keep the salt from being in there. Okay, so now you can actually separate these. Let me show you how that works. When I push this out, pull this button, and they separate for easy cleaning. So you can clean both of them this way. That's how you're going to clean them. But for now, we're going to leave it together so I can carry it as one big thing, even though it's kind of hot. So here's our bowl of fries. We're going to add some salt. So my doctor says when.
Enough.
Wow. Surprised.
You poured a lot on there.
Okay, so now let's get the taste test from the kids. See what they think about these.
You need to mix it.
Let's get a taste test from the kids. See what they think about these air fried French fries.
Your reaction?
Is it really that salty?
No. Oh, interesting.
Okay.
Honestly, taste reaction.
These fries are like super crispy. Oh, they're better than other fries that we cook without the air fryer, but I still think restaurant fries from In-N-Out and McDonald's are better.
You don't agree with me. McDonald's tastes good.
You try another one?
No.
No?
I'm just gonna eat it.
Hear the crunch.
That one was way too crispy, it's just bad.
Time for little potato.
To eat big potatoes. Crispy fry, not so crispy fry. Look at the difference. The crispy fries don't really taste like potato. They just taste like burn. But there's a crispy texture that tastes good. I just need potato flavor. The not so crispy ones taste really good because they're still crispy on the outside, but they taste like potato. Captain Crunch French fry cereal.
Since you've made this far, go ahead and crunch that like button, just like my kids. Crunch down on their very crispy Cosori air fried French fries. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. And just as best of those people who don't watch this part of the video, be sure to slip the word ranch in your comment down below for a chance at a shout out in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.